Hello and welcome back to MMG Simo, where we explore the latest trends in finance and wealth building. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into modern wealth creation methods that are reshaping the financial landscape. So let's get started. Wealth creation has evolved significantly over the years. Gone are the days when the only options were stocks, bonds, and real estate. Now, technology and innovation have opened up new avenues for building wealth. Let's explore some of these modern methods. First up, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have become popular investment options, offering the potential for high returns. Blockchain technology also presents opportunities in areas like smart contracts and decentralized finance, or DeFi. However, it's important to remember that the crypto market is highly volatile. Always do your research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Next, let's talk about investing in tech startups. Platforms like AngelList and Seed Invest allow individuals to invest in early-stage companies through equity crowdfunding. This can be a way to get in on the ground floor of potentially high-growth businesses. But remember, investing in startups is risky, and not all ventures will succeed. Diversification is key. Another exciting area is digital real estate and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. Virtual worlds like Decentraland and the Sandbox are creating opportunities to own and trade digital assets, from virtual land to unique digital art. While this market is still developing, it's attracting a lot of attention from investors and collectors alike. Don't underestimate the power of social media and content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram offer opportunities to monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Building a personal brand and engaging with your audience can be a rewarding way to generate income. In conclusion, the landscape of wealth creation is constantly evolving. It's important to stay informed, diversify your investments, and understand the risks involved. Here are a few tips for success in modern wealth creation. Educate yourself. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify. Spread your investments across different assets and sectors. Seek professional advice. Consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on wealth building and personal finance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.